The 5 habits that turn average students into toppers. If you think toppers are born smart, you've been lied to. Most of them just follow habits anyone can learn, including you. Let me show you. 1. Plan the day before. Successful students don't wing it. They plan. Your brain works better when it wakes up knowing what to do. Before bed, write 3 tasks, study block time, 1 reward. Science calls this implementation intention, and it boosts completion rates dramatically. 2. Short, focused study blocks. Top students don't study for 6 hours straight. They study in deep bursts. 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes break. Repeat. Your brain memorizes better when rested. 3. Active learning. Instead of highlighting everything, they teach it back, summarize, and quiz themselves. Learning is not reading. Learning is retrieving. 4. Sleep as it matters. Your brain stores memory while sleeping. No sleep, no retention. Late-night cramming looks productive, but it's actually self-sabotage. 5. Balance and self-respect. Toppers take breaks, move, laugh, breathe. They don't drown in guilt, because calm minds learn faster. Conclusion: you don't need to be perfect. You need habits that work. Try 1 today, then another next week. Your progress will shock you and others. Like, subscribe and tell me, which habit will you start first?